Think you know Angular? These MCQs will challenge even the most seasoned front-end pros. Question 1. You have a dashboard that updates live using observables. What's the most efficient way to handle the subscription in the template? The correct answer is use async pipe in the template. The async pipe handles subscription and unsubscription automatically, avoiding memory leaks and cleaner code in live dashboards. Question 2. Which of the following best improves performance when rendering a long list in Angular? The correct answer is use trackby function in *4. As trackby prevents Angular from re-rendering unchanged DOM elements, improving performance in large datasets. Question 3. You're building a feature-rich form with complex validation logic. What approach gives you the most control? The correct answer is reactive forms. Where reactive forms offer better scalability, fine-grained control, and custom validator support, ideal for complex business forms. Question 4. What is the role of ngZone.run outside Angular open parenthesis close parenthesis? The correct answer is to execute code without triggering change detection. As run outside Angular open parenthesis close parenthesis improves performance by avoiding unnecessary change detection, useful in animations or background tasks. Question 5. You're using onPush strategy but changes aren't reflecting. What could be the reason? The correct answer is the input object's reference didn't change. With onPush, Angular only checks for changes when input references change, not their internal properties. Question 6. In a lazy loaded module, how would you share a singleton service? The correct answer is provide the service in the root injector. Using provided-in. Root ensures the service is available app-wide as a singleton even in lazy loaded modules. Question 7. You need to call an external API only when a search box input stops typing for 500 milliseconds. What should you use? The correct answer is debouncetime with switchmap. As debouncetime waits before triggering, and switchmap cancels previous requests, ensuring efficient API calls. Question 8. Which Angular lifecycle hook would you use to fetch data right after component initialization? The correct answer is ng after view init open parenthesis close parenthesis. Where ng on init open parenthesis close parenthesis is ideal for initialization logic like data fetching after the component is ready. Question 9. A child component needs to notify the parent when a user action occurs. What's the best approach? The correct answer is use @output with event emitter. Where @output lets child components emit custom events that parents can listen to via event binding. Question 10. You need to inject a service that's dependent on a runtime value, like config or token. What should you use? The correct answer is use useFactory with injection token. As useFactory allows services to be dynamically constructed at runtime using external values or logic. Question 11. Your app needs to intercept all outgoing HTTP requests to attach an auth token. Which feature will help? The correct answer is HTTP interceptor. Where HTTP interceptor globally modifies requests/responses, perfect for adding authentication headers. Question 12. You need to project user content into a modal component from the parent. What directive enables this? The correct answer is inContent. As inContent allows content projection into a component, offering a flexible way to design modals and dialogues. Question 13. Which statement about ing template is true? The correct answer is it defines a block of HTML that Angular renders only when explicitly told to. Ing template is Angular's way to declare chunks of HTML that won't be rendered until programmatically or conditionally activated. Question 14. You notice high memory usage and slowdowns in a dashboard with many subscriptions. What might be missing? The correct answer is unsubscribing from observables properly. Forgetting to unsubscribe can cause memory leaks. Use take-until, async pipe, or subscription.unsubscribe to manage it. Question 15. In which situation would you use ng on destroy open parenthesis close parenthesis? The correct answer is to clean up timers, subscriptions, or DOM events. ng on destroy open parenthesis close parenthesis ensures resources like subscriptions and listeners are released when the component is destroyed. Like, subscribe, and share to keep learning with Skiller.